it's me, Joy / Fairy Liquid from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. A couple of people have asked me for requests. One of the requests was for a fairy liquid balloon. I said, why didn't you make one of yourself? So I did. Here it is, in all its glory. I'm not sure which one's more scary. Look at that makeup. She's sporting a lovely purple t-shirt there. There's the lovely hair as well. Just picked out a few of my accent colours. As you can see, I am sporting here a very, very fashionable pair of brown flares from the 70s. Carrying on, I am taking little balloon doggy for a walk. Whoop, 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 whoop. I haven't actually done a balloon dog on my channel as yet. And I am holding my famous butterfly there, which is probably how you came to hear about me, from my butterfly tutorial, that one up there. So there we are. Now, I don't think there's going to be much demand from children asking me to make one of these, and probably just as well. I just don't think some of this can be replicated on a balloon. What's the craziest thing you've been asked to make? What's the craziest thing you've ever made? Have you made a balloon of yourself yet? Love to hear from you. If you want to know how to make a princess balloon, then you can just click up there right now, because that will take you to one of the princesses, and it sort of shows you how to make some of this business, although a lot of it is actually sort of bespoke to this particular balloon that I have done here. I quite like that little doggy. He's quite sweet, isn't he? Oof, 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 oof. So join me in another video right now.